Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Solutions. In today's video, I'm going to share some amazing computer screen keyboard shortcuts that will boost your productivity and make your workflow smoother. Whether you're using Windows, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Cut, copy, and paste. Let's start with some essential keyboard shortcuts for Windows users. First up, the classic cut, copy, and paste commands. Press Ctrl X to cut, Ctrl C to copy, and Ctrl V to paste. Undo and redo. Need to undo or redo an action? Use these shortcuts. Press Ctrl Z to undo and Ctrl Y to redo. Select all. To select everything in a document or folder, press Ctrl A find. Looking for something specific? Use the find command. Press Ctrl F to open the search bar. Switch between windows. To quickly switch between open windows, press Alt plus Tab.